Seng Samla jong Shnong Umdihar hakalai puai tarik Nohprah arhajar arpusau kila pynkut no Taiew Lehkmen Shnong Umdihar hapdeng jingiphuh iphieng da jingiashimbynta shitrhem da Nongshong Shnong Jingiakop bapher pynlong naduh arpupra tarik Nohprah arhajar arpusau. Katei Taiew Lehkmen jong Shnong Umdihar lawan ban Pynhap Pyrda da Bah Rocky Marwein kongsan jingdon ryngkat Romel Lyngdoh Rangbah Shnong Umdihar Samla mar liki singkli presiden Seng Samla Umdihar boxstar Seng presiden ke Umdihar Sports and Welfare Club Riew Rangbah Shillong lembak Paidbah Nongshong Shnong. Jingiphuh hi jong Seng Samla ban pynlong yang kini Taiew Lehkmen kalong jingiashimbynta ban wanra jingiteli Shillong kawai hapok Shnong katau bad hakani Taiew Lehkmen nakaliang Seng Samla kalau pynlong ru Jingiakop bapher naduh badminton carom board Jingiakop jingdon dan quiz competition bad kiwai nakaliang Seng Samla kala samru kusnam shiki nong job Jingiakop bapher bat pynkut buram ru arngut khun Samla jong Shnong balawan ra nam bat buram Shnong Lyngdoh Jingiakop sports bakentup Samla Bethlin Grace Makri Samla badonbor marbanyang bat kumju pynkut buram ru khun Samla balapas bah examination SSLC bat HSSLC. Sengi pynkut Samla Jingiashimbynta ru jingshat bat jingwai bapher bat kumju ru Jingiakop Bah Riew bat Rangbah jong Shnong Umdihar. Jingiakop Bah Riew bat Rangbah jong Shnong Umdihar ïaka nam Miss Umdihar lara da Samla Babylon Lyngdoh bat ïaka nam Mr Umdihar lara da ubaya tiplang shadam.
Contestant number 1 ni Ibame Ai Rani. Nega por ngiyo ban peni rem tan rai jumi bye bye thap kam jam dak mangkini katei bapher jumi ngi ram Nong Shli ka jong ki wei na so kam de la ka jong bye bye kam jam hakti ka jong ki wei na so kam de la ka jong City soi rong san jong ka tem ka jong ki wei na song kam de adalah ka jong iphieng ai katei contestant number 1 di Lyngdoh. Contestant number 2 di Paidbah Nongshong Shnong.
Ustad apartai wace ya yong ide hi to ya makane aja wace wa apartai wastad tenang buat lete nang toit nang prat aja ustad apartai
Contestant number 3 di Taiew Lehkmen. Nohprah lapang.
Kalong shimbynta ba kumno ka seng samla ka angnut ba ki hep ki barit kinyo ya ka platform ki samla shinrang ba thei kinyo ya ka platform bat ka shnong ka thau kan yu I bat ka jingilum lang nga jong phi kan sakhi ba ka ni ka shnong kanang la ban kiu irat shaprang lengba ka jing trishitom jong ki khun samla ngai ka jingkit bok ki reng ya ka seng samla Shnong Umdihar ngai ka jingkit bok ki reng ya ka dorbar Shnong hibaro ko wei baka Shnong Umdihar ka baljula pao hakani ka dong bat kathan ka jongi ai baka ni ka Shnong kanang kiu irat shaprang bat kay ka baka jing angnut ka banga kwa ban pasat api kum ki khun samla baha ka ni ka ski ka jingya nemti ka jing tunjuk i babun khamtam ka jingya khun jongi ya ka ni ka jing sniu ka baap hat tingkong ying ka jongi ka jing jilei jongi kam sniu ka jingwan rung kerthep jong uni drugs haman laki Shnong githau samla ba et kani ka jinglum jinglang jong phi ha kani ka met ya ki para samla ya ka Shnong ka thau hi bro ko we kani ka nuksa ka babha ban pani sya ka perthei ban pani sya ka Shnong ya ka Shnong hi bro ko we bagi samla na Umdihar kam dei shu ka por ya ki bakin net shat Christmas ban let shat New Year sya ki we pat ki Shnong ka jinglum lang nga jong phi kan pensionran ya ki wei ki khun samla ki banang wanra ya ka jing sniu ha ka ni ka Shnong ka jing lum lang jong phi ha ka ni ka janmit kan de shimbynta ban khanglat ban wanrung utaw jingdi ubas niu ka jing ya khun ka perthei baro ko wei ka ri jongi baro ko wei ka state jongi ka jilla ka jongi ka district ka jongi ki Shnong gi thau ki jongi ha ka ni ka kenti ka bamanta ka long une usnem ba matmai ngin bu ya ka resolution lani ka ta ka New Year resolution banong nginong yaw drugs une jingdi ubala shisha ban kta ya ka yingasem habang apet ya ki yingasem gi balamat ya une jingdi habang ina bang apet ya ki yingasem gi bala shakta ha une jingdi ngayu I shisha bakat no ka kordit kat no ka ringsdot kat no ka suk ka san ka ja ha tu ka ying ka sem ka tak shisha ya ka perkat perdan bad ya ka im lang ka jongki dengan kentu ki samla ba pynlong ki sipai bad ya kon yo niu jingdi ubas niu ngai ka jingkit bok ke reng ya ka seng samla shnong ngai ku blei hiru ya pi ha ka ni ka sngi ya ka jingshim jong pi ya ka ni ka benta ban pynlong ya ka ni ka program dengan nam sim ya ka por ngashim ya ka kabu ban ai ku blei ka Christmas ka basok bakamen ya baro kinongshong Shnong bait jong Shnong Umdihar ngai khubleiru bau news nem arhajar arpusan
Something about the way she moves, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like the boss, talk like the boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure wrong. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like the boss, do what the boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Please independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. There's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. 'Cause she work like the boss, play like the boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for the boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost.
Winner mission ថ្មី Captain mission ថ្មី
She's fly effortlessly. She moves like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it wrong. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. There's something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need.
Viva!